Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about a PE special from Jordan brand that was made for Ray Allen, Milwaukee Bucks colorway that would have went perfect with the jersey. Back in the days, that Milwaukee Bucks team was good, man. They had a bunch of good players on that team. They had Ray Allen, Glenn Robinson, Sam Cassell, just to name a few, man. They had a real good team, man. That team almost went to the finals, but lost to the Philadelphia 76ers with Allen Iverson. And Allen Iverson and the 76ers went on to play the Toronto Raptors, who beat the Toronto Raptors in 7 games. That was a great series. And they went on to play the Lakers, and you know what happened after that, man. But before we get into this shoe, I'm going to need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we drop a new content to the channel. And also be sure to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. That's on Instagram and on Twitter. But I know y'all tired of me talking. Let's get to this shoe. Here you guys go. Retro 7, Ray Allen. Could have been a PE, should have been a PE. Very clean and well put together shoe. But let's get into the details on here, man. As you can see, you got the all black shoe, all black suede going all around, pretty much. Got the purple hints on the outside of the sole. Got the purple Jumpman right here. This is like a hunter green right here. You can't really see it. It looks black because it's blending in with the sole. On the shoestring tips, you got the Jordan logo, a metal. Got the tongue here, all purple going up. And then on the top of the tongue, if you're familiar with Retro 7s, on the top of the tongue is always different colors, which I think was a good pop for the Milwaukee Bucks jersey colorway here. You have the green, you have the white, and you have the purple. And then you also have Jordan in black, and then you also have Air in purple, which is clean. Let's go to the back panel. As you can see, you got the gray pull tag here with the mixture of the sock in the inside, purple, green, white, and gray. Right here, you also have the 23. You have the purple and gray right here. You know, Jordan 7s. All Jordan 7s have this on the back. I think this is a well put together shoe. I think the shoe could have had more hunter green in it to make it pop more, to give people more of that Milwaukee Bucks like look, that colorway, man. But I think they did a pretty good job with this, and I think Ray Allen should be happy. You know, this is his first released PE besides the House of Hoops PEs that came out back in the days and stuff like that. But this is like the first general release PE. And I heard that it's not that many pairs out there of these, so I was able to get my hands on the pair early. And you know, I figured I'd bring it to you guys, bring it to the channel, let you guys get a look at it before you guys decide if you guys want to buy it or not. Clean shoe, you know, black, you know, summertime, you can pull this out. You could find a Milwaukee Bucks throwback jersey to go with it, or a jacket, like the little windbreaker jackets that they have, or something, or a hat, or whatever. This will go perfect with it, and you'll be fresh. You know, in summertime, everybody want to be fresh in the summertime. Ain't nothing wrong with being fresh. So if you're gonna get these, you know what I'm saying, I just gave you the blueprint on how to kill them, or whatever the case may be. But very clean shoe on the insole. It has the Ray Allen logo on the insole. I'll give you guys a look at that. And man, just an overall clean shoe, man. I really love the old Milwaukee. I like the new Milwaukee Bucks, you know, colors and jersey and stuff like that. But I really love that Milwaukee Bucks jersey back in the days, man. Like in the 90s, man. It was one of the best jerseys in the NBA at the time. I believe you had the Milwaukee Bucks jersey and you had the Vancouver Grizzlies jersey. If you don't know what I'm talking about, look it up, man. They both were fire jerseys, and they both selling on the throwback market. So if you guys want to get your hands on a pair, whatever the case may be, you do that. But definitely one of the flyest jerseys, and this is one of the flyest shoes that could go with the jersey, man. But y'all know what time it is. Time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, man, I'm definitely gonna have to give this shoe, man, 4 out of 5 pennies I like the colorway. I like the shoe. And like I said, I'm a big fan of the Milwaukee Bucks jersey throwback joint. So this shoe right here goes perfect with it. And I'm a big fan of it, man. And it also reminds me of the Raptor 7s also too. So, you know, it's a good retro from Jordan Brand. Great job. You guys did a great job on this. Well put together. It ain't no BS going on or whatever the case may be. You can check out the bottom too. You can see the bottom. You got the green hair. You got the purple, black, more green. You got the white Jumpman. Gray. Clean, man. Can't go wrong, man. But with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.